Lace wear.
Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures, stripes on my ass, so he call it specific. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple rights, prices asking.
Okay, it came with like a net cap. Who uses this? Nobody uses nets as wig cap. That would be so itchy. Here, okay. Look at these lashes, guys. These are super basic. That's cute though. I like how it came in little amenities. Okay, she's soft. This is bouncy. Hey. I think it's supposed to be like 30 something or 40 something. I was trying to get it as long as possible. Would you guys believe this is a synthetic wig? Because this is so soft. Like, yeah. Let's check the lace. I think this is supposed to be glueless too. Let's check the lace already. Okay. I think it's gonna give scalp. This is also pre-plucked. You see it has a baby. It does look pre-plucked. So that's nice. Let's see. Give it booty. Yeah. It's coming down to the booty. I'm running my hands through it. It's not tangling. Getting more defined. I love this. It's no shedding. One little hair came out. The layers. This is so bouncy and full. Like, you see? Hold on. Ding, 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 ding. Nah, we're gonna put this in my Amazon store. 3 combs. And we got the strap. This wig feels very secure. Okay, so you guys seen it out the box. You guys seen it fresh out the box when it was all curly and wavy. We decided to go straight. I did this on my birthday, and I never put the baby hairs because I was wearing makeup that day. And a wig review. Okay, so as you can see, the lace is blending. And you see, I didn't even cut off all the lace. If you go all the way in, you can see like I left mad lace, so you can't even tell. Okay, so from far as giving scalp, I would definitely recommend this hair. This wig was only $40. It was a body wave. I think this wig is it's close to 40 inches. I try to get it as long as possible. I was looking for the longest wig possible. So I take my wig off every night, so I don't wear it down. But I've been wearing this wig for about a week now, and it's still very soft. The ends are still very manageable. It's windy in New York City, so the hair gets a little tangled, so that's what you guys are seeing. Lace is pretty good because I didn't have to put makeup on the outside. This is only makeup on the inside, which is phenomenal. And this is not glued down. This is only tacked down with some spray. So I would definitely classify this as like an 8 out of 10 on the glueless because it could have stayed down like that, but I wouldn't have felt 100% secure. It doesn't come in an elastic band, so for me, that's not my type of glueless, okay? Like a celebrity in this hair. It's giving. I'm an influencer now. I don't care what nobody says. I feel like an influencer in this hair. Okay. This is that girl. They say blondes have more fun, so we're about to prove them right. Bye, bestie.